Holy crap. Guys, we just got at the Pickering and we can see a gigantic storm is coming our way. Let's just get fishes later tonight. That is just so bad. I'm not ready for this. Look over there. Oh. Yikes. A really bad storm, I guess. It's supposed to get very vicious tonight, and it's like, I don't know, let me check the time. It's 5:07. We're supposed to start. It ain't raining yet. It was supposed to storm 7 minutes ago, but I think it's supposed to storm. It's running at like 5:30. Yeah. Why it said they're supposed to storm at 5:30, but the teachers at daycare, Imagination Station, they said that there was actually they're supposed to storm at 5. What's going on there? I think it's good covered. But it ain't gonna be that vicious when it first hits. It's just gonna be a normal storm. But when it hits overnight, we're gonna have a burning house. Then we're gonna have to unplug everything overnight, I think. Because it ain't that bad, like it ain't that much lightning overnight. It's very bad, but it ain't as bad as I think it is, because I think there's gonna be a lot of lightning. There ain't that much lightning. I can keep my Xbox plugged in and I can just sleep through the storm and just fall asleep. Rats.